Today's video is regarding HP NY Pro 6458 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and once your printer is ready, we just open the ink cartridge chamber. So here are the space where you can lift the top section, and once you open it slowly it will just hold itself. Now ink cartridge chambers will come here. So there are lock on the top. If you just open that, and then it will release the ink cartridges. And to install the new ink cartridge, you simply has to place it here, slide it little bit and lock it with this flap. And do it for the color as well. And this printer uses ink cartridge HP 67. And to close it, just push it downwards, it will lock itself. Thanks for watching.